So as 2020 is coming to an end, Samsung has finally released the first official teaser for the Galaxy S21 Unpacked event. The Galaxy S Series has been a resounding success for Samsung, and it has been a face of Android smartphones for over a decade now. The teaser highlights the history of the Galaxy S Series, such as the design changes, the addition of water resistance on Galaxy S5, the curved screens on Galaxy S6 and S7, the home button removal on S8, and the arrival of the hole punch on Galaxy S10 and S20. It's a slick little video. Take a look. It also mentions that a new Galaxy awaits, referring to the S21, and that it will bring new ways to express yourself, possibly teasing some new camera or software features. With that said, we have some updates regarding the charger headphone situation. It's been well known at this point that neither of the Galaxy S21 handsets will have a charger or headphones in the box. The only accessory you'll get is a USB-C cable, a SIM ejection tool, and of course the phone itself. But it seems some countries might still get a charger inside the box. According to Roland Juan, Samsung will equip the charger with the S21 in some markets. Now we don't know which markets will end up getting one, but I can assure you France will surely get the charger and headphones because French law requires smartphone vendors to ship their smartphones with a hands-free device or headphones because of laws about electromagnetic radiation, particularly in relation to small children. Brazil is another one to get the charger, as Brazil officials say a charger is an important part of the product usage, and not including it with the main product goes against the standards of the Brazilian Consumer Defense Code. Some other markets will also get it, though I'm not sure which are those, but what I'm sure is the United States and the United Kingdom will neither get a charger nor headphones. Also, we have some interesting stats about smartphone sales on Christmas Day. Traditionally, as you know, Christmas Day is the largest single day for new smartphone activation, at least in the United States. So we have some sales numbers and the names of the top 10 phones activated on Christmas Day, and surprisingly, the top 9 devices activated on Christmas Day in the US were all iPhone models, led by last year's iPhone 11. What's even more interesting is that the handset at the 10th spot is not from Samsung, but an LG device named LG K30, a $150 handset. Also interestingly, the iPhone 12 mini didn't make the list for some reason. It seems the average consumers who does not care to look into things in depth have most likely gone with what catches their attention more, which seems to be the bigger phones based on this data, and that's not a good indication for future iPhone mini variants. Anyway, let me know what you think about this down in the comments, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow.